Hey, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Now I'm going to show you how to stop requests to Instagram posts on iPhone. Write whether my solution helped you. Did you manage to do so? If there are any questions, write in the comments. I will read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, open Instagram. Next, open your profile. In the upper right corner, click Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom. Messages and Story Replies. Message Controls. And the first setting is your followers on Instagram. In order to stop and turn off asking any people to post on Instagram, we need to switch to the second setting. But if you want to turn it off or on, you can click right here and turn it on. So in this simple and easy way, you can stop the Instagram post request. And when a person wants to message you, they won't be able to. Let me know if my solution helped you. Did you manage to do this on your iPhone? If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments. I will read and answer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Give me likes. Goodbye.